Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So now we are going to do part 3 of this lesson, and it's going to be very easy. We are just going to form the base of where these petals are going to be crocheted on. So very easy, very simple. So we're going to do it really fast. Remember that we're making these because we want to do something like this. It doesn't have to be this, but we want to be able to do quite a few so we can make a nice top, whether it's a swimwear top or a kind of strapless top, whatever suits you. Now let's go ahead and start. We're going to make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we made 24 stitches, so we want to go under the 4th one because we need 6 of these around the first row. So let's go under the 4th one, pull through, make a slip stitch. There you go, that's your first one. Under the lead and pull through, we need 6 more, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, we count to the 4th chain. Go under that chain, pull the lead thread through and slip stitch. Again, 6. As you can see, this one is pretty easy, not so hard. Under the 4th, grab that lead, another slip stitch. And we just need to do 3 more of those, so 1 more set of 6 here. Under the 4th again. Now sometimes I just eyeball it. Sometimes when I count it's not actually 24, but it still works. But I just want you to follow along and make sure you get everything right. 6 more. Under the 4th again, pull through. Oops, a little boo-boo there. Under the right. Let's complete this circle or this row, and this is the chains that you're going to form your petals on. So let's go ahead and complete this row. We complete it with a slip stitch, go under the lead and pull through those 2 loops on your needle, and there you go, complete. Alright, so go ahead and practice that. When we come back, we'll be putting on those very cute little petals in the next lesson. As I said, this one was quite easy, so have fun practicing, and we'll see you in the next one. Walk good.